Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some flour.
But it's sticky.
really loose.
But it's
So
sticky.
I have to get a service in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I got text message. Okay.
You got my gum. The slime is sticky. Right, boo?
It is. So this is what it looks like.
So it's not sticky in here. I put my lip on this, but I don't want to put my lip on it. But it got pokes. At least you put this.
So my sister has this. Oh my gosh! Not these M&Ms.
Not these not the M&Ms.
I'm going somewhere tomorrow, and I'm vlogging too. No, I'm using that one. I'm just taking these off of my.
No, boo.
I'm taking a little bit.
Okay, I don't care. You can take all of them.
Okay. Some of these thingies.
From my nail polish.
And I'm putting them in the slime.
In her slime or florp or slime?
It's slime. It's not florp anymore. I added too much
Lotion.
And not lotion, water.
Oh, water. She put water. I keep on saying lotion, but water. This looks like my chips. Is this your chips? Because I already.
You gave your chips to one of them, I think. Yeah,
I gave it to me.
Okay. I'm going to Chipley Park tomorrow.
I'm going to Chipley Park with
and I'm going to be vlogging. Y'all might see my slide on there too.
And I'm going to the Chipley Park with my cousins.
Cousin, and her friend.
Yeah. And
my auntie.
And my name is Zari. And her name is Boo.
No.
Yeah, her name is Christiana.
Okay, just making sure you know my real name. Y'all might have think this is a lie. This ain't nothing in here.
Right.
Oh, look.
Poke. You should have poked it, guys. Guy, you should have poked it because on the video it's purple, right?
No, it's pink.
Nope.
Pink.
It's purple in the video. Pink on the video.
See the slime right there.
Because she was poking it last time and it was sticky and I put juice in it.
I'm so mad at her for that.
Yeah, she's so mad at me. I did it on accident.
If you did it on accident, why did you put it in there?
Then why did you do a video?
Before my phone goes to 5%.
Yeah. Huh?
My phone's on 7%, so yeah.
Say it again.
You little stop. No.
Stop.
Okay. And then I'm going to add a little bit of nail
polish.
Because it is pink and it's sparkly. And my favorite color is pink. And I love sparkles.
But I stole her favorite color.
Glitter. I mean, yeah, it has glitter in it.
I stole her favorite color. My favorite color is pink and I got a pink shirt.
I got to pick where I wanted to go because I wanted to go with my cousin to her friend's birthday party. But there wasn't going to be enough room. So, yeah, my auntie just said for me to pick a place where I wanted to go.
And so we're going to Chipley Park.
Okay, you can't say it out loud.
We're going to Chipley Park.
Okay.
And I love it.
And now I'm just gonna, it's really sticky, so don't mind it.
It's kind of a lot of sticky. But that's why she had a lot of water.
Yeah, I added too much hot water.
Yeah, because it was sticky now. But now I put juice in it. Then why did I do that? I did it on accident.
But why did you put it in there if you did it on accident?
And why did you duty?
I did not duty.
You duty in the toilet.
Oh my gosh, could you please get away from me? I can't even do a video.
Are you trying to do a video, but I can't do it? Is that my top? Is that my top?
I'm going to try to do a thumbnail. Hopefully that is the thumbnail.
gonna take my episode for the school. Mariah for the school. Sing it. Boo.